Hello and welcome back to Chasing the Target. What a long day for Team India in the sun for around 7 to 8 hours as England pummeled up the runs. Joe Root getting another 100. He went past Ricky Ponting as well for the most amount of test runs, and he's right behind Sachin Tendulkar as well. Still a way to go for him. लेकिन क्या batsman है भाई Joe Root, unbelievable batter. The best in the world right now, you can say, and he keeps on going, man. Like there is no, we thought he's in bad form in the first two tests. उसके बाद आके वहाँ पे century, यहाँ पे भी century, Lords पे और Manchester पे. He loves this ground. He loves every ground, and he's been an unbelievable player for Team England. Along with him, his captain Ben Stokes also putting up a partnership, and they just took the day away. At the start, it was Ollie Pope who was with Joe Root, and then Ben Stokes came in. He kept piling up the runs, and it was very difficult. Indian team was very lethargic in the field, and कल जो bowling हुई यहाँ पे भी वैसा हो रहा था. Not enough pace. I know the sun was out and it was a flatter pitch, but yeah, there was not enough pace, not rushing the batsmen. Washington Sundar came in and picked up a couple of wickets, and we saw some hope कि भाई चलो ठीक है, we can try and cut this lead down. लेकिन it was to no avail. अभी almost 200 की lead हो गई, 170 180 हो गया. They'll probably bat till 200 250. Might declare, might not, and try to bat India out of this game. And innings defeat could be on the cards for India. Lekin we hope that they do fight. We hope that the batsmen come out and show a better, a better performance. Lekin मुश्किल है यार. Rishabh Pant bhi, he's injured. He's not fit. It's going to be very difficult for India now. It looks gloomy as the skies are here. Rain could be saving India, but मुश्किल है. I think there will be play tomorrow. There will be play on Sunday as well. It looks like it. कोई भरोसा नहीं है weather का, लेकिन you can't depend on that. Overall, India have been outclassed. This has been their most poor performance in the series. I think 3 matches में तो बहुत अच्छे performances थे, but result didn't go their way. यहाँ पे तो performance अच्छा नहीं था. A lot of questions to be asked in terms of team selection. Why Kuldeep Yadav didn't play? How come Anshul Kamboj was brought back into the team suddenly? After being sent home. एकदम से वापस बुला लिया 2 दिन पहले. ही लुक्ड अंडर प्रिपेयर्ड, ही लुक्ड अंडर कुक्ड. वो तो 120 पे डाल रहा है, वो है 130 140 का बॉलर. एटलीस्ट 130 प्लस तो डाल सकता है वो. ही लुक्ड आउट ऑफ सॉर्ट्स एज वेल. सो इट वाज अ पोर परफॉर्मेंस फ्रॉम इंडिया ओवरऑल. इट डिडंट लुक पॉजिटिव एट ऑल. अब कल देखते हैं क्या होता है, बट मुश्किल दिख रहा है मेरे को तो. टू बी रियलिस्टिक, इंग्लैंड विल प्रॉब्ली विन द मैच इन द सीरीज unless there is a miracle. England have been very good in this test match. In particular, unke captain has stepped up with the ball and bat. He's an unbelievable all-rounder, incredible talent, incredible player. Their best batsman has shone. Their best bowler, Jofra Archer, has shone as well. Arguably, you can say Ben Stokes is the best bowler in the series so far, but yeah, he was crazy. Jofra Archer as well. From India, Shardul Thakur didn't look like he was going to get wickets. Siraj also didn't look like he was going to take wickets today. He looks like he's tired. He picked up an injury as well. Jasprit Bumrah also looked flat. Anshul Kamboj looked nervous, looked out of place a bit. Jadeja, I was expecting more with Jadeja with the ball, but unfortunately he also couldn't pick up any wickets. And it was that आप बोल सकते सुंदर को इतना late क्यों लेके आए, and all those questions which are very valid. And in the end of the day, there's a lot of questions to be asked. This series you should have been 2-1 or even 3-0 up, and you are now looking at 3-1 down. And there's going to be a lot of reflection for this tour, because आप अच्छे positions में थे, and you made a lot of drastic changes going into this series. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma not being there, Ashwin not being there, and it hasn't really improved anything. अगर आप India का performances देखें from when the season started in October against New Zealand till now, there hasn't been any improvement in the test arena. Yes, you won the Champions Trophy in between, but in the red ball cricket, there hasn't been much improvement. You've lost against New Zealand, you've lost against Australia, and now against England. Yes, you can say they're tough tours, but in situations where you were in this series, they should have been a better result, I think, and at least we should have taken it to the last match. But unfortunate, ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई इंडिया ये मैच हार जाएगी. Hoping for a miracle, we'll come back again, we'll come back, support them, we'll back them, but it looks a bit difficult. Shubman Gill's captaincy also looked a bit flat today. His bowlers didn't support, but I felt that he could have been a bit more proactive in terms of field setting, in terms of bowling changes. Yesterday especially, he could have gotten Washi in early. Today also he could have got Washi in early. Washi, I didn't think he bowled in the first session. He bowled very late, and then when he came on in the second session, he picked up wickets. So those are things that Shubman Gill needs to improve on. I know he's a young captain and he will improve, but these are mistakes which happen in this test match. And देखो ऋषभ पंत का तो इंजरी वो हो गया, इट्स अनफॉर्चुनेट है, लेकिन बैटिंग ओवरऑल अगर आप देखें एवरीवन गॉट शॉट्स बट दे डिडंट कैपिटलाइज. यस इट वाज ओवरकास्ट, यस बैटिंग वाज मोर ट्रिकियर फॉर इंडिया देन इंग्लैंड, लेकिन फिर भी आप ट्रिकी पीरियड से गुजरे थे, लेकिन यू weren't able to capitalize. तो ये सवाल होगा इंडियन टीम पे कि why weren't the batsmen be able to capitalize as well like the way the English batsmen did. I know sun could be one factor, but that can't be the main thing, right? There has to be some issues there with technique, concentration. Shubman Gill as a batsman as well in challenging conditions, we've seen that he has a problem with the in-swinging delivery that he has to work on as well. So yeah, that's overall what it's looking like. It's not over yet, the test match, but like if you look at it realistically, India's chances look very bleak, like the weather behind me. बहुत मुश्किल दिख रहा भाई अभी. And yeah, what England will probably look to do is try to bat another hour or so, give India some batting maybe before lunch, and then just try to bowl India out as soon as possible. India will have to look to bat long, they have to look to bat deep. देखते हैं क्या होता, but with no Rishabh Pant being there, even if he comes out, man, like it was a heroic sight, but like in a match like this, it's gonna be very difficult for him to do much. But let's hope for the best and hope he gets a speedy recovery as well. फिर कल मिलेंगे भाई लोग. Make sure you're hitting the like button, subscribe button. Stay tuned to Chasing the Target. We'll try to get you the latest content from Manchester, the latest updates, and really appreciate all the support. And take care, everybody. Good night.